Hi everyone, so today we are going to learn how to do a long tail cast on. So the first thing we've got is 9mm wooden needles. Now you can use any needles, they don't need to be wooden. And then we've got some just standard like super chunky yarn. So the first thing you need to do is measure out how much yarn you need, because it's a long tail cast on, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So rule of thumb is if you're doing say a 12-inch scarf, you do 3 times that amount. So just gonna get that out, and then what you want to do is get your index finger, wrap that round, and you're just doing a slip knot in there, and then you want to pop that onto your needle, and then put your hand out like this. You want to get your fingers between there and hold the yarn. So if I open my hand out, you can see that it's wrapped around, and this one's my thumb. So this bit is the tail, and this bit is where the ball of wool is. So you can see that that's what it looks like. And then you want to take your needle and you want to go under that one, and then under the front yarn, and then through and pull off. And you can see that you've got another loop on your needle. So I'll do that again. So make sure you've got your yarn like this. So if you put your hand out, you want your long tail like that, and the ball of wool this end, so you can see round here. And then you put your finger and, oh whoops, you only need 1 needle for this. Put your finger and thumb round, and you want to go under, and then through, back through the first loop. So I'll do that again a few more times. Under the front, under the back, through the loop, under the front, under the back, through the loop. And that is your long tail cast on, and you just do it until you have got the number of chains that you want on your needle. So I hope that makes sense, and what you're left with is your stitches, your tail, and then your ball of wool.